Okay, in this lesson we are going to be looking at dividing with scientific notation, pretty similar to multiplying. You're going to think about this and reducing that fraction or really dividing it. So I would take 6.4 and I would divide by 1.6 times 10 to the, now I'm going to take this and I will subtract the exponents. 4 minus 7. Okay, so 6.4 divided by 1.6 is 4. Times 10 to the negative third power. So this does happen to be incorrect scientific notation. What that really is it's 4.0 times 10 to the negative 3. Okay. And so, that's correct scientific notation. Okay, then in standard notation, what that means then is it's 4.0 times 10 to the negative third right now. I would take that decimal and I would go 1, 2, 3 places to the left, which then in standard notation would become 0.004. Okay? And then in the next one, if you think about reducing this, 1.2789 divided by 5.22, you'll get a number for that. And then times 10 to the, and you want to subtract here, 9 minus 5, which is 4. Okay. 1.2789 divided by 5.22 gives me 0.245. That is not correct scientific notation, so you don't want that. But since it's a positive times 10 to the fourth, I would move that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right and become like that. There would be a 0 right there. So this would be correct standard notation with that comma right there. And then in scientific notation, my decimal value would be right here. Okay, right there is where my decimal would go. So I would have 2.45 times 10 to the, and I have 1, 2, 3 places to the right of that decimal. So times 10 to the third. So that's what that would look like. All right, on your calculators now, let's just do this problem real quick on our calculator. If we wanted to do this problem on our calculator, here's what it would look like. You need to access again that that double E button, which is right there. It's above the number 7. Notice it's blue, so you access it with the second key, which is also in blue. Basically, that button replaces times 10 to the. Okay? So, what I do is I want to type in 1.2789. And then I'm going to go second comma so that I can access that double E. That stands for times 10 to the, and then ninth. Okay? I'm going to divide that number by 5.22. Okay? And then second comma. And you know what? I better put this in parentheses. Hang on. That bottom number, I'm going to put in parentheses first. So I'm going to just start over. Okay? 1.2789 times 10 to the ninth divided by, I'm going to put this in parentheses now, 5.22 times 10 to the, so that's second comma, times 10 to the fifth. And I'm going to close that, and I'm going to hit enter. And I should get 2,450, which I did when I did mine. Okay? So that's what that should look like. Make sure you put that bottom number in parentheses when you're doing that, just to be safe. I'm not sure if you have to, but it's never going to hurt.